Alright guys, so the next topic we're going to be working on IXL is V4, which is, not V4, sorry, V7, which is the power rule. So what you're going to do here is, anytime that you have a variable, one variable with two exponents next to each other, what you have to do there is multiply those exponents. So for example, here I have J8 parentheses exponent 9. That's going to give me J parent 8 times 9, no longer the parentheses. And 8 times 9 gives us 72. So that's going to be my answer there, J exponent 72. Keep doing the same thing. So for this next one, G exponent 9 exponent 2 means G 9 times 2, which is G 18. Let's go ahead and type that in here. G exponent 18, hit enter. So you keep doing that, and that's all you're going to be doing. So for this next one, Z 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15, so Z exponent 15. Okay, I'm going to jump to some of the further examples just so you can see what they're going to look like. So here's the same thing, except now you have a negative. You have to use the same rule that we did before. So for example, this one is Z negative 6 parentheses negative 1. No, not negative 1, positive 1, sorry. So then you have Z negative 6 times 1, which is Z negative 6. But they want you to use positive exponents, so then we have to change that into a fraction. So 1 over Z to the power of 6. So it doesn't give me the option for the fraction here. I'm just going to put 1 slash Z exponent 6. There you go. So that's all you're going to be doing in these examples. It's the same process over and over again. If you have more than one letter, then you just do the exponent to each letter. So M 5 and 3 exponent negative 2. That means we have M 5 times negative 2 and N 3 times negative 2. So we have M negative 10. 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. And N 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Because both of these are negative, we're going to be doing the fraction. You only have to write the number 1. So 1 over M 10 N 6 to make them positive. Now because I don't have the fraction here on my IXL, what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the entire bottom in a parentheses. So M exponent 10. I'm going to have the same problem as before. So I'm going to type in the two letters first, and then I'll come back and do the exponents. So M has an exponent of 10, and N has an exponent of 6. So, and then same thing, if you have more than one variable, you just do it again for each letter. So because this one is a 1, this is very simple. You times 1 will be the same number. So we pretty much have M and P, and with the same number. So M9, P3 exponent 3, and N exponent 11. So just type it in like it is. Okay, now we're gonna go back and work on section V9 real quick. So on this example, or these examples, what I recommend you do is you can go ahead and use Mathway for these. So on Mathway, you can type this in exactly like it is there. So we have 3 exponent 6 times 5 exponent 6. Hit enter. I just want us to simplify it. So what that gives me is, it gives me this number right here. Now what I have to do is I have to check which of these numbers is the same exact thing. So how will I be doing that? Well, I have to check my answers there. So 15 exponent 36, and I'm going to check to see if that's the answer. I got an add. There we go. So if you notice, this number is much bigger, or has more exponents than what we have, so that's not going to be it. 15 exponent 6, hit enter. So 1139065, 1139065, that's going to be my answer.